Hello friends, this video on mechanical properties of solids is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Topics which we'll cover in this lesson are introduction, elastic behavior of solids, stress and strain, Hooke's law, stress-strain curve, and elastic moduli. So let us start with the introduction of solids and their mechanical properties. So what do we mean when we say that we are going to talk about mechanical properties of solids? Mechanical properties of solids describe characteristics such as their strength and resistance to deformation. That means basically it talks about strength. What do you mean by strength? Strength is nothing but the ability of an object to withstand the applied stress. Like when you give some stress on an object, to what extent it can bear that stress. So that is known as the strength of a material. When I talk of resistance to deformation, it means at certain times you want to change the shape of some objects. So it talks about how resistant that particular object is to the change of shape, because at certain times you see certain objects which change their shapes very easily. For example, if you think of something like clay or mud, it is very easy to change their shape into your desired form because their resistance to deformation is less. Whereas if you think of something like iron, do you see that it changes shape very easily? No. Not at all. So an iron changes shape only when it is heated to a very high temperature, because the resistance to deformation is very high in case of iron. So depending upon different materials, depending upon their properties, they have different resistance to deformation. So in this chapter, we'll talk about such kind of properties of solids. So mechanical properties, there are various mechanical properties which can be included in the list. Some of them are elasticity, how much elasticity a substance possesses. For example, when I talk of elasticity, the best thing you can think of is a spring. Plasticity, which is just the reverse of elasticity. When I say elasticity, I mean that you stretch, for example, you think of a spring. You stretch an object, it changes its shape. Once you leave the force, it regains its original shape, or it comes back to its original shape. On the other hand, when I talk of plasticity, it means once you change the shape of that object, it never comes back to its original shape, even when the external force is removed. So those kind of substances are known as plastic materials. You also have a property like ductility. In ductility, when I say ductility, it is something like you can pull that material into thin wires or into thin sheets. For example, you can think of gold or silver. You would have seen small thin plates of gold or small thin chains or wires of gold. So that is because the material has that property of being ductile. So not only these, there are various kinds of properties which can be included within the mechanical properties of solids. In this chapter, we will basically concentrate on the elastic behavior of solids. So we will study about elasticity. So all that I explained you in brief, we'll quickly review it once again. Elasticity, it is the property to regain original shape once the external force is removed. So elasticity, the best example I can think of is a spring. The next is plasticity, property of permanent deformation. That means once changed, it will never come back to the original shape. For example, a mud toy or a mud. When you change it to a different shape, it is not going to come back to its original shape again, unless and until you again apply some force and efforts and change it. Ductility, property of being drawn into thin wires, as I told you. The example which you can consider is that of gold. We also talk of strength when we talk of mechanical properties. Strength is nothing but the ability to withstand applied stress without failure. That means when you try to break something, like you would have seen several substances which are very fragile. You apply a little bit of pressure or force and it breaks down. Whereas there are other categories of materials which have got better strength. That is, they are able to bear the applied stress for a longer duration without failure. So strength is that property of the material wherein the material can withstand or bear the applied stress without failure. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.